Hello folks, I'm ratheesh and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to unbox our second product, which is OnePlus wireless Z bass edition Reverb Red. So I got this headphone as a compliment by buying this OnePlus 80 in a good deal. I think this headphone is Bluetooth headphone where we can enjoy at least 10 hours of music by charging with our wrap charger in less than 15 minutes of time, and it is water and sweat resistance, and its total battery life is around 17 hours of battery backup, and we also have a good bass boost. Unbox this headphone, which is OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z Bass Edition, and I'm going to try this out in my new brand OnePlus 80. Where is the headphone? Oh my god! Oh, here it is. Okay. We have some charge for 10 minutes and enjoy for 10 hours. I think it is. Hooray! We got the adapter. Cool, we have the adapter. I thought they will be giving the adapter with OnePlus 80. So let me check this out. It is sealed. So it is Reverb Red. And it's very flexible. We can just similar to normal headphone, we can just hang our headphone in our neck, and it's also like very lightweighted, so it's not at all like making me uncomfortable. So whenever we are going to walking or jogging, so it our headphone will never fall. Okay. And if I try to insert in my ear, it is also like a very flexible, and it's also not making me uncomfortable, and it's very lightweighted, and it is completely fixing in my ear. Okay, it's not falling off. So let us try with some audio. So we have three multi-functioning buttons. We have for a decrease volume, increase volume, and middle button for stopping of music, or a multi-function button for a Google Assistant with double tap. So let us hear some music, and let's have a real. Let us feel the real bass of this. Sorry, I'm just placing in the wrong direction. Okay, let's play some good music. I love the way how it is synchronizing the Bluetooth devices in just a fraction of a second. Okay. I love its bass effect, which is really crystal clear, and we can feel the internal background voice of EDM or with respect to any pop music or any other music, we can just feel the inner bass effect, which is pretty cool. You can also check from your end. I just like I have only minimum volume. So now you can check. Okay, and here we have one automated setting, that is if we just stick our headphone, it will be passed, and if we take it, it will be played. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest update with the technological content and product unboxing and first impression of some cool technology gadgets. Thank you.